I'm Tom Loughton, sculptor and creator of the Varginha Alien resin model kit from Beyond the Veil. The figure comes in 3 parts: the head, body, and legs, plus the right arm and the left arm. The base and the background wall section are the other 2 parts of the kit. I suggest washing all of the kit's parts in warm, soapy water and drying them before beginning assembly and painting. I use a rapid 5-minute epoxy adhesive to attach the base to the background wall section. Equal amounts of the 2-part adhesive are thoroughly mixed and applied to the joining sections of the base assembly. The parts are supported and left to fully cure. This should be ready to safely handle within a few hours. I use the tip of a sharp hobby knife to scrape or shave away excess material and even out the surface levels. Go carefully. You don't want to remove any more material than is necessary, nor damage important details like the eyelids. I use a fine nail file to smooth and soften the seam lines. Again, be sparing with the sanding and use a delicate, light touch. I use a model maker's plastic putty to fill any pits, sunken seam lines, and differences in levels. A fine spatula or knife can be used to apply this. Use only as much putty as needed to fix any issues. Fine sanding pads and nail files are used to even out and smooth the repairs. I chose a medium consistency cyanoacrylate adhesive to adhere the limbs. Get familiar with the best fitment of the parts and practice holding the limbs before gluing them. You may only get one chance. Be careful not to glue your fingers to the model. A 2-part epoxy modeling putty is used to blend over the gap where the arms join. When thoroughly kneaded together, you will have 5 to 10 minutes to use your fingers and tools to fill and smooth the gaps at the joins. This putty will set rock hard in about 1 hour. Very little filler is needed, as you can see. I use an automotive spray can primer to prepare the model for painting. Please do this outdoors and protect yourself from fumes and contact with your skin. Build up thin, even layers to avoid drips, runs, and missed areas. I'm using acrylic model paints from Green Stuff World, a company based in Spain. There are many other suppliers of similar hobby paints and materials worldwide. An internet search will offer local suppliers near you. I mixed a mid-chocolate brown for the basic flesh tone. I use a wide, soft brush and apply an even coat. Be thorough and take your time. After the base is fully dried, I mix a lighter shade to highlight the raised areas of the figure. A loaded brush is wiped clean of nearly all of this lighter color. Gently dragging this dry brush over the model's higher features leaves the lighter paint on these surfaces, highlighting them. This technique is known as dry brushing. I use a warm red color to dry brush in some softness on the cheeks, eye sockets, and other raised features. An intense orange-red color is used to carefully paint the eyes. I mix a slightly darker shade of this color to paint around the edges of the eyeball to give more roundness and depth. When dry, I paint a high-gloss varnish over the eyes and let that fully set. I use green, yellow, and brown colors to paint the base. Try to use muted and mixed colors to keep things natural. I use both warm and cool shades of grey and a mossy green on the wall section. The final step is to glue the model onto the base. Again, I use 5-minute epoxy. Practice placing the model in the position you desire before it's wet with adhesive. Seat the model's feet and hand into place and leave the adhesive to set.